Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my current absolute favorite items. Now before we get into the video, I do want to apologize for being absent for 2 weeks straight. The week prior to this one was not intentional. Texas totally shut down during our winter storm. We didn't have power, we didn't have water, so we were just trying to get back to normal and trying to survive. It was the coldest it has ever been in a really long time. We even got snow, and who would have thought? Texas snow. We're not equipped for this. So if you guys want a story time on that, let me know in the comment section down below. Now I'm back. I am ready to share with you guys anything and everything. I have a lot of exciting videos coming up and I cannot wait to share them with you guys. So if you like these type of videos, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Now let's get to it. Alright, so I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love planners. At the beginning of the year, I always look forward to getting a planner, and I have 2 of them. This one right here, I found at Walmart, and it is princess themed. I was obsessed. It is limited edition, so I'm sorry you're not going to be able to find it. But I love it. This is my everyday planner. I write everything and anything in here, and I decided to pick another one up because I am just weird like that. This one I decided to make my chores planner. I know that sounds a little bit weird, but I discovered the Fly Lady method on Pinterest and on YouTube, and I decided to take that because I really liked the whole concept of it, the whole like dividing your house into zones and all of that. So I am following this week and trying to catch up. But if you guys want me to do a video on this and show you my method, I will absolutely love to. So leave me a comment down below. Now, if you love planners, I am sure you also love pens like I do. And this is my trusty, dusty little pouch. I have everything and anything that I need for my planners. I have markers, I have highlighters, pens, Flair pens. Let me share with you guys my favorites. These Papermate Flair pens are my absolute must-have favorites. These are very popular in the teaching community, and let me tell you, they are the best. Hands down, I love the way they write, I love the way they feel on the hand, and they're absolutely amazing. Every teacher can totally tell you about them. Another one of my favorites is the Papermate Ink Joy Pen. This is an absolute must-have. It is so smooth, it glides, it doesn't smear, it is absolute perfection, and I have every single color that you can think of. Alright, then I have these Crayola erasable highlighters. Like, what in the world? An erasable highlighter? Yes, please. I love this thing. If I make a mistake, if I highlight something that I wasn't supposed to highlight, I can just take this top off and erase it, and it was like nothing happened. This was great whenever I was studying for my exams, whenever I was trying to do all of my schoolwork and all of that. This kept me on track, and I absolutely love it. I do have one unfavorite that I want to share, and that is this Sharpie Gel Pen. Now this pen went viral, but as a pen snob, let me tell you that this is not it, folks. This is just, it didn't glide smoothly for me. It was streaky. I just did not like it. And compared to my Papermate Ink Joy, it just did not, it didn't measure up to it. Based on you people that send me a message over on Instagram whenever I ranted about this pen, you guys agreed with me. This is not the best pen, and stick to the Papermate because that is where it's at. With the whole like planner kind of office vibes, I do have this Tack It glue. This is incredible. It also went viral on TikTok. I have a couple of viral items on TikTok, and I absolutely love this. As a homeschool mom, I always use those Velcro dots that are kind of expensive. Sometimes they're hard to work with, and it's just a lot of work. This has been incredible. So this, what you do is just kind of brush a little bit of the glue behind the manipulative, and you can use it over and over again instead of using those little pesky glue dots. All right, next up I have this Aquaphor Healing Ointment. Now, one of my friends, Meg, I'm gonna have everything linked down below. She actually uses the CeraVe Healing Ointment. That apparently went viral on TikTok and I cannot find it anywhere. So if you guys are having trouble finding that one, then I recommend this Aquaphor one. I don't know what the difference between those two are, but I can tell you that this has made my lips so much better. My lips are currently going through a phase and it's kind of weird and crazy. This is the only thing that is actually helping them and that is actually healing them, and I can actually feel it. Get rid of all of your lip smackers. Get rid of all of your tinted little lip balms or whatever it is that you're doing and get you this. She also recommends the Ordinary oil in conjunction to this. So if you can pick those up, go get them, my friends. And don't forget to follow her. I have her link down below. All right, I have this other random thing that went kind of very popular on Instagram, and it is the Folex Carpet Spot Remover. This thing is a miracle. Let me tell you, last night my child spilled his strawberry milk on the floor on the carpet. This took it up right away and it left no pink, no nothing, and I absolutely love it for those quick clean fixes. I do have my vacuum that is like a power wash vacuum, and I absolutely love that, but sometimes that is too big and too bulky. This definitely does the job, and I'm not the only one to say it. A lot of mommy bloggers swear by this because it actually works. So I recommend this for sure. Okay, now moving on to mouthwash. I don't know about you guys, but for me, the regular mouthwash is just a no-go. I do not like it. I don't think it works. Something about it. It's just not my vibe. This mouthwash went viral on TikTok. This is the TheraBreath Dentist Formulated Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. Now, this is just a regular old mouthwash that fights breath for 24 hours. It has no alcohol, no artificial flavors or colors. It doesn't burn, and I can attest to that. It is also approved for diabetics and not tested in animals, and it is gluten-free. It is clear, and I really did enjoy this. So much so that I picked up a second bottle. Now, this is the one that fights gingivitis for 24 hours, and it protects from plaque and tartar. This is the clean mint flavor. I've yet to try this one, but I'm sure it's going to be just as great as the other one, and you guys need to pick this up. I have this little portable selfie light. I absolutely love this thing. It has 3 settings, and if you guys seen any of my vlogs, you guys know that my kitchen gets very, very dark, especially after the sun goes down. This is incredible. I can just kind of put this on top of my camera, and it gives me the perfect lighting under the cabinets when I have to push my camera far back. It does have this little attachment for your phone, but I have the Samsung S20 something, I don't know, and I just kind of hook it like that because my phone is way too big for this thing. This was made for like baby phones, and it still works perfectly fine, so I highly recommend it. Next up is wireless headphones. Now, I know I talked to you guys about my wireless headphones before, and I decided to pick up a different version of those headphones, and these are kind of similar to my Beats headphones with the ear hook, and that is what I was looking for, something that was comfortable. What I like about this is that I can hook it up to my ear just like normal, but if I get tired or if my ear gets tired, I can just hook it off and it'll stay there, and I can still hear my music while I'm cleaning or anything like that. So I absolutely love that fact. It is very comfortable as well. Again, it comes with a little portable case, and the one con about this one is that I feel like the other ones had a wider range of length that you can go from being away from your phone. It's okay. It's not that big of a deal. I really do like them, and they're going to be linked down below. Okay, next up is my nails. Now, I have raved about this nail kit for a really long time on my Instagram stories and on my blog. If you haven't seen my blog post, go ahead and check it out, linked down below. This is the Beetles Polygel nail kit. I have heard so many good things about Polygel, and I had to try it for myself. Now, the nail forms are a little bit harder to work with, but once you get the hang of it, they are so easy and so quick to do. These are my nails right now. My pointer finger and my pinky finger are Polygel. My middle finger, my ring finger, and my thumb are using nail tips, and honestly it wasn't that bad working with the nail tips. The nail form does take some time to get used to, and that is something that I would not recommend if you have a wedding coming up or anything like that. If you haven't had practice with Polygel, I think that you definitely need to practice before committing to something like that, because I don't want your fingers or your nails to look atrocious on a very, very important day. So I would just stick to regular glue-on nails for that little special occasion and then get into practice with Polygel. But I really highly do recommend this because it is so easy to do at home and it was super inexpensive. I don't even know how long this is gonna last me, but I can tell you it's gonna last me a really long time. Okay, next up I have a Tiger Gems beauty right here, you guys. I just want to say thank you so much, Tabitha, for collaborating with me on this portion of the video. Tiger Gems is a small brand that creates rings, jewelry, like earrings and necklaces. They are really, really big on their engagement rings because their stones are man-made, and Tabitha works on these rings by hand, and they come in this little pouch. They come in this little box, and then they have your little booklet on the inside of how to take care of your rings and all of that. I have rambled about Tiger Gems for so long. I have a whole bunch of videos that talking about them, so I'm gonna leave them linked down below for you guys. But they decided to collaborate with me once again. Thank you, Tabitha, for this opportunity. And let me show you the ring that they sent me. So this is their emerald 3-carat ring. It is absolutely stunning. It does have like little diamonds, half band, and oh, it is so beautiful. My ring is a 2-carat oval. The center stone is 9 millimeters by 7 millimeters. And the radiant is a 3-carat with the stone size of a 9 millimeter by 7 millimeter. So believe it or not, they are the same size. The stone is the same size, only the emerald is going to be slightly bigger because of the shape. Now with the emerald and the stones being on the actual band, you have to be so careful. Take care of it as much as you can. One of the coolest things about Tabitha is that she actually helped me pick this out, and she also gave me a link for you guys to follow if you are wondering what size stone you should get. Make sure you click that link down below. It is super easy. All you need is paper, a ruler, pencil, and some scissors. Trace out the sizing of the stone, cut it out, and then put it on your finger and see how that looks like. And as you can see, Tabitha hit the nail on the head with this one. It is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. So thank you so much, Tabitha, again for collaborating with me on this little portion of the video. All right, last but not least, I have my hat collection, or part of my hat collection right here. These are my most favorite prized possession hats. Let me share them with you guys. So this is my Charlie horse hat. I absolutely love this hat. I cannot believe I own this hat. I want this hat. I wanted this hat for a really, really long time. And oh, Lord Jesus, it gives me all of the rodeo vibes. On the inside, I did add some of this foam to it so that it was a little bit more snug and tight on my head. But you absolutely don't need that. And oh, I love it. I'm obsessed. I want this in every single color. If those Charlie horse hats are a little bit on the pricier side for you, I do have some more affordable options. These are by Rock'em, and they are a small shop here in the Houston area. I rave about them on my Instagram stories a ton. This is their Camila hat in the color tan. It is absolutely gorgeous. I wore it in my previous video. It is $29.99. If you live in the Houston area, you can opt in for curbside pickup. The guys are incredible. They will work with you with everything that you need. They will help you, guide you through the whole process. And this is the way this hat looks. Last but not least, it is my Citlali hat, again by Rock'em. It is the absolute gorgeous shade of pink, and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. The color, the style, everything about this hat, it is absolutely incredible. I have featured this on my Instagram like 3 or 4 times already. I'm obsessed with it, love it. For the month of February, it was incredible. But for the spring, I cannot wait to wear it. It is also on sale for $29.99, and I would suggest you guys snag it up. They also have a lot of boots, accessories, some clothing items, and I highly recommend them for all of your Western wear needs. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video. And if you aren't subscribed already, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what has been your favorite item that I've mentioned, what other videos you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.